Water leaking under your sink can seriously mess up your day, but fixing it doesn't have to be a headache if you know what to do. First off, check all your pipe connections because they can get loose over time and start dripping. Grab a wrench and just tighten those joints a bit, but don't overdo it or you might crack something. If tightening doesn't do the trick, look at the washers or gaskets inside the fittings. They're like little rubber seals that wear out and cause leaks. Replacing those is pretty straightforward and cheap, so don't hesitate to swap them out. Another trick is using plumber's tape. Wrap it around the threaded parts of the pipes before screwing them back together to stop leaks from sneaky tiny gaps. Also, keep an eye on the drain trap, that curved pipe under the sink. If it's clogged or damaged, it can leak too. Make sure the water supply valves are fully closed when you're working, so you don't get soaked. Finally, after you fix things, run water for a while and watch for any drips. Sometimes leaks show up only after a bit of use. One of the biggest mistakes people make with water leaking under sinks is ignoring minor drips, which can lead to bigger water damage and mold issues if not fixed fast. The fix? Tackle leaks as soon as you spot them, even if they seem small. Another common problem is tightening pipes too much, which can crack plastic fittings or strip threads. To avoid this, just tighten snugly and then stop. If it still leaks, try replacing washers or using plumber's tape instead. Lastly, many folks don't check old washers or gaskets regularly. These little seals break down over time and cause leaks. So, make it a habit to inspect and replace them every year or two to keep leaks away. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners trying to find trustworthy local contractors without the stress or scams. Plus, it's a cool platform for contractors looking to connect with real clients and grow their business easily.